everybody! So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite aromatherapy books. I get questions on a daily basis in my inbox about essential oils and aromatherapy, and I like to try to get back to everybody, but sometimes it's hard, so I thought I would show you guys my favorite aromatherapy books. I pretty much get all of my knowledge from them. I also do some research on the internet, but I try to get a lot of my knowledge from, actually published information that is, based on some really good research. So this is my favorite one. This is probably one of the more simple ones. This is the one that I would recommend to beginners the most. This one is really, really beautiful. It's called The Complete Aromatherapy Handbook, Essential Oils for Radiant Health by Susan Fisher Ritchie. And it's really beautiful. Look at the picture on it. This one is just so cool. It's kind of like something you would find in some like herbalist's basement or something somewhere. It's so cool. And this is more of a simple book. I really recommend something like this to beginners for sure. The inside is also really gorgeous. There's like a whole bunch of information on how essential oils got started and how they were the very first medicine that there ever was. Now basically all medicine comes from herbs and plants and some forms of essential oil. Usually it's kind of torn apart in a lab and kind of melded into something that's not quite as healthy for us, in my opinion. But it talks a lot about that. Here is what one of the sections looks like. This is for the essential oil rock rose. It tells you all the information you would ever want to know about this particular herb distillate and how it's made and how much plant material it takes to make it, what it's good to be used for and why, and what the chemical compounds are of the essential oil. It's just a really great book. It's really great to look through and just kind of learn a whole bunch of things about each individual essential oil. It's called the handbook, so you can kind of go in here and reference anything that you might need. It's a lot more basic than the other books I'm going to show you. I use it a lot for like my skincare recipes, and also it does have quite a few recipes in here actually that you can use. Like in here it has some bath and skin recipes. It also has some like cold and flu remedies in here, and it's just really, really, really cool. And it's just like, I love this book. It's definitely one of my favorites. I'll put the link to the Amazon link in the description box. So now if you're into taking aromatherapy more seriously, or if you're into natural medicine and you're into more of a holistic approach to health, these would be the books I would recommend to you most. First one is Advanced Aromatherapy by Kurt Schnaubelt. Kurt Schnaubelt is a fantastic resource when it comes to essential oils and aromatherapy. He talks all about the original aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is actually medicine. It's just been changed and altered over the years. Western medicine has dumbed it down to an unnecessary degree, just saying it's basically just for skincare, and it's basically it's basically just like a girly spa type of thing, but that's not true. As a matter of fact, I've had some really great experiences when working with true essential oils. I have managed to heal myself of gum disease with them, and that is something that dentists still are not able to do without really harmful surgery that it only works for a certain period of time. So I didn't really have like super hardcore gum disease. It was just like gingivitis. It's after I got my wisdom teeth extracted, I kind of developed a little bit of gingivitis, and usually that's something that people just deal with for an ongoing period of time, but I managed to heal myself in a matter of just a couple weeks using essential oils and some different tooth care regimes. So yeah, I really love this book. Also, Medical Aromatherapy, Healing with Essential Oils. This is probably the most informational one. This one is, this one's pretty informational too. It has, it talks all about the chemical compounds in there as well, as you can see in this book. It's a lot more confusing. If you are somebody who has taken chemistry in the past, you probably will get this pretty easily, but if you're not like me, you probably don't follow along quite as easily. But I've really strained myself really trying to understand as much as I possibly can. And essential oils are a true medicine. They basically are what medicine was derived from, only altered and changed into what I believe to be more dangerous than essential oils. So I would really highly recommend these books. If you're into the more medical kind of thing with healing with essential oils, I would recommend the last two, which will also be in the description box. But if you're just kind of starting out, I think the first book would be probably your best option to start off with. So, alright guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!